Are you tired of having millions of tabs open when planning to travel? Are you frustrated about not being able to reach a group consensus? Well, MiTravel has the solution for you. Welcome to MiTravel, a virtual planning board where travel enthusiasts and avid planners can collaboratively plan and visualize their best trips together. With MiTravel, you have a space where you and your travel buddies can discuss, collect information, and plan together on exactly where you want to go, do, see, or eat. MiTravel's goal is to provide a better trip planning experience that's focused on the actual research and planning, which will go into creating your final itinerary. Explore the website's many features to keep your travel planning easy and organized. Simply create your dream trip using our features. Create a collaborative and central space to consolidate and save all your travel inspiration with ease. Create and refer to helpful reminders and group discussions with the use of notes. Achieve faster decision-making on various points with the use of polls. Get convenient access to all of your travel documents, including flight tickets, hotel reservations, etc. Get visual reference of chosen destinations and activities showcased on the map, which you can also filter accordingly for easier referencing. Create a free account with MiTravel today to start easily planning your trips using the links in the description below.